a makeup look to cooperate your beautiful red dress. Keep on watching. So first I did my skincare and primer. Now I'm putting on my foundation on my eyelids and all over my face. Today I'm also going to do a wearing challenge, how long this can last. Now I am taking a brown shade on my crease and outer V to contour my crease line and outer V of the eye. Always start from lighter shade to darker so that you can see how much you want what color. Use windshield wiper motion and soft circles to deposit the color. To glam it up, you can use a little bit of black color on the outer V of the eye like I have done. When it comes to black, a little bit can go a long way, so be careful when you dip your brush on the black color. Pigment of black can vary in palette to palette, but the density is the same, so you have to be very careful when you pick black on the crease area. With my ring finger now I am using a silver color to deposit on my inner lid. You don't have to be precise. This eye look will look very good with a winged eyeliner. If you can do, then go ahead and do. First line your lash lines, then extend the liner to make a wing eyeliner. My base is as usual, so I did my base off camera and now I'm going to outline my lip with the outer edge of my red lipstick from 18 and then fill the inner part of my lip. Then mascara and a little bit of hairstyle would look better with this kind of red dresses. I hope you liked it. It is currently 3 p.m. after 8 hours of wearing this makeup without any touch-ups. The base, the color of the lipstick, everything is perfect till now. Let's see what it's going to do after 10 o'clock. At 3 p.m. I used a little bit of powder to set the base, but at 10 o'clock it looks perfectly fine. So this foundation can last up till 12 hours or more than that, so you can wear it all night or all day. The foundation is by Purple and the shade is Caffeine Comrade. It says long stay foundation and it does stay longer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye bye.